Familiarize yourself with the 2018 Ford EcoSport. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and much more. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.